Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Don't make assumptions. Assume nothing. In any kind of relationship, we can make the assumption that others know what we think, and we don't have to say what we want. We assume that they are going to do what we want because they know us so well. If they don't do what we want, we feel hurt and think, how could you do that? You should know. Bottom line, folks, get rid of the gray. Keep it black and white. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 118, NASDAQ up 13, S&P's off 2.5, gold contract down $12.90, trading at $1,281 an ounce. Silver down 14 cents, $18.13 an ounce. Platinum off $7.5 at $9.67 an ounce. Copper flat at $2.52 a pound. Light sweet crude, toasted, roasted, all of the above, down $1.86. Trading at $50.55 a barrel. Oil looks like, folks, who wants to go down to that 47, maybe even 42. Bonds, 10-year note, down 10 ticks, 126.06. 30-year bond off 19 ticks, 154.18. Both notes and bonds pull back. Light volume. They still want higher price, lower yield. King dollar. King dollar up 286 ticks, trading at 99.690. Now, King dollar barrel down yesterday, big volume, bounced today with light volume. King dollar, folks, is setting up, looks like it's setting up another ABC structure on the way down that'll blow away the 98 area and make its way down to the 95 area. Big numbers. Euro. The euro is trading at 107 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is trading at 108.86 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We got a SPY out here, folks, that could not handle the downdraft of the 21st of March. That number is 233.58. That's the low of the downdraft March 21st. We did 131 million shares there. We got to a price point today, once again, by the way, of 234.95. Since the 21st of March, the S&Ps have been trying to get into that price. They can't get sold off each and every time, get sold off again. What does that set up? That sets up now the S&P is going to go after the low of the 27th of March, which is 231.61. And right now you're at 233.11, 233.44. The Dow Industrials, that broke downtown once again. You're down 118 points. You're at 20,404, and 20,404 is below the benchmark we were just talking about for the S&Ps, which is the low of the 27th. So what we have here now is this. The 27th was 20,412. You're 20,404. That sets up a 19,980 mark. So the Dow could have a heck of a day tomorrow, meaning down. NASDAQ Composite. What do we have with the Composite? Composite got to a price point today of 58.94. We closed at 58.63. And that, let's see, so that can still, that wasn't a failure in price and volume because it would have had to get under 58.60 actually. Just saved itself at the bell. Bottom line, we'll see how that handles it tomorrow. But that's on a shorter term basis. Longer term, it's still having a tough time getting into the 21st. That's the number. NDX 100. We take a look at the 3Qs. What the 3Qs have done is this. The 3Qs are trading 131.49. Let me make sure that this with the trading after this, because we're going to get Qualcomm's going to be coming out, which will move that. So we're still trading 131. We're trading 131.51. What the 3Qs did is that they did fail. 3Qs got up into 132.29, failed the 132.09 level, So we did 17 million shares versus 33 million. What that sets up another leg to 129.40. That's your benchmark, which is the 27th. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract, folks, traded down to 12.75, rejected that level, closed at 12.81.40. Bottom line still is an ABC structure on the way up with a price projection of 13.07. I expect you're going to see a 13.19 out of this. Now, let's go to the GDX, okay? So the gold equities, silver equities, they took some heat out here. The GDX down, trading down 88 cents, trading 23.39. You did 107 million shares, and that's saying the GDX can go down to 23.04 with 23.39. 23.04 is the high of how we came off the March 15th low. So we'll see how that shakes out, I suspect, tomorrow morning. We did 150 million shares there, so that's going to be hard to break down, but I do expect the way that is trading, it looks like it's going to get tested. Silver, we take a look at the silver market. Silver held. Silver did down 13 cents, did 73,000 contracts. That's light volume going into how we did 111,000 contracts yesterday. Notes and bonds continue to say that this S&P is going to continue to lower price. It's pretty intense too, folks. The 10-year right now is at 126.06. The yield on the 10-year is 2.2. Bottom line is that this 10-year just finished an ABC structure in the way up. Your price projection was 126.14. Yesterday we hit to 126.20. Bottom line is that you're backing off, and you're backing off with light volume. This thing still wants higher price, as does the 30-year. 30-year had anemic volume on the back off today. We came down with 198,000 contracts. You're down 20 ticks. Yesterday we did 303,000 on the way up. So this baby, the 30-year hasn't finished its ABC up also. That's about 156.5. It looks to me like the 30-year is actually going to make a run to the 158. Where I'm going with that is that you had that 4-month consolidation that it took out. It took out in a big way. King dollar looks like it's another ABC structure on the way down. Couldn't hold price today. You're at 99, 685, and this will be an interesting one, man, because you got 105. Yeah, you get a couple points, which will bring you into about the 97, 770 mark. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming back with more earnings for you.